Hello friends, welcome to my channel Obituary Update. In this video, I am going to tell you about Freddie Marx. Sad news being reported by Thames TV archive that Freddie Marx of children musical trio Rod, Jane and Freddie has died at the age of 71. Here is a very sad and latest news about Freddie Marx. He has been died at the age of 71. I am going to tell you what happened to him and how he is died. So watch the video till end and never skip any part of the video. So sad to hear of the death and Freddie Marx of Rod and Jan Freddie fame. Most of people are mixing him with Kevin Clark, but he is another personality. Rainbow Freddie Marx romance with co-star and death 5 years after her wedding. And this is a very sad news here to death of Freddie Marx. Rainbow was major part of my childhood, and so were Rod, Jane, and Freddie. As writer and singer, they were first class in field. Rest in peace, according to people. Fans are mourning on his death, and he has lot of fan following. Very sad to hear about death of Freddie Marx, Rainbow, and Red Jane and Freddie videos made my childhood. My heart goes to Jan Rod and all Freddie friends and family, said by some people. We are sorry to hear the death of Rainbow legend Freddie Marx. I am going to tell you what happened to him, so never skip any part of the video. The sad news has been announced today, the death of Freddie Marx from the classic children TV show Rainbow Road. Jane and Freddie. The popular trio then went to have their own 15-minute show Road, Jane and Freddie, which ran for 10 years in 1980. Sad to hear the death of Freddie Marx, center of Road, Jane and Freddie fame. Can anyone else remember what it was? Road and Jane and Roger featuring Bunny from Ella Doro? Write below comment section. Rainbow Freddie Marx romance with co-star and tragic death 5 years after wedding. Freddie Marx from 80s children TV classic Rainbow has died only 5 years after the married co-star Jane Tucker from beloved band Rod, Jane and Freddie. Children TV star Freddie Marx has tragically died just 5 years after the marriage his Rainbow co-star Jan Tucker. Freddie was 71, who appeared in the 80s classical kid program alongside bandmates Jan Tucker and Rod Burton as one third of musical trio Rod, Jane and Freddie passed away yesterday. His cause of death is still unknown. The news was announced on a Rainbow Facebook group saying, "Our thought go out to his wife Jane Tucker, Rod Burton and all their friends and family at this difficult time. Freddie will be greatly missed." Freddie married co-star Jane in 2016 at London luxury Claridge's Hotel. However, their romance hit headline after it was revealed the blonde had previously been married to their other bandmate, Rod. Speaking on panel show 50 Ways to Leave Your TV Lover in 2013, Jane revealed how she and Freddie got together. Appearing alongside her first husband, Rod, Jane said, "Rod and I were married and then we got divorced. So that it's basically some year later when Freddie joined, Freddie and I hooked up together." Freddie continued, "Rod and Jane had been divorced long before I actually joined the series. So with all the will in the world, it was very difficult to make the manage to trios out of something that doesn't exist." People have lot of memory over Freddie and Jones and Freddie and Mark Wright 10 September 1949 27th and he has been died. The tea room is very sorry to announce the death of Freddie Mark of Rod and Jane and Freddie and our fellow. This is the latest news. For more videos and update, please subscribe to my channel because my channel will give you similar type of latest update on social media side and who is died recently among the celebrities and what are their cause of death. One job or two cause of death is not revealed yet. Rainbow star Freddie Mark of Rod, Jane and Freddie dies at the age of 71. Fans are very sad on his death because his marriage is taking only 5 years after his marriage he has been died. Thanks for watching. For more videos and updates, subscribe.